Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal. So today's video is going to be a little spicy, a little bit fun. I was able to get my hands on the entire collection of MILANI. They just launched 6 new lipsticks to their new Flora collection. You guys, these lipsticks are absolutely beautiful. They're so pretty. They're perfect for the spring/summer. I actually ordered mine from Ulta. This is the Color Fetish Matte Collection. If you guys remember, a few months ago, I also swatched the entire collection of their nude collection, and those ended up going viral on TikTok, and they were sold out for months and months and months. And here I am with the Flora collection. Let's go ahead and get into the swatches. You already know, grab your cafecito. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more lip swatch videos, and yeah, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and get started into today's lip swatch video. So let's get into some details of the collection. These are retailing for $8.99 at Ulta. Walmart might have them for like a few bucks cheaper, but MILANI usually sticks to their price range. That is about $9 per lipstick. So it says MILANI Color Fetish Matte Flora is a creamy velvet matte lipstick that glides onto lips. Floral inspired shades flatter a range of skin tones. So that was what originally really caught my attention, because I personally struggle with wearing pink lipsticks because I feel like I haven't found the pink lipstick to suit my skin tone. So these are full coverage lipsticks with one stroke payoff. I agree with that because their nude collection is so creamy velvety, and just the payoff is insane. They also recently released, I think, like a setting spray and an eyeshadow palette. I haven't seen it yet, but once I do, or if you guys spot it before me, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, and I can get my hands on that and do a review for you. So here we have the lipsticks. Again, 6 shades. It starts from a very light pink and it goes into a very deep crimson berry. The packaging is exactly the same as their old matte nude lipstick packaging. Very, very pretty. And we're going to go ahead and get started because we do not want to wait. I'm going to go ahead and pat my lips dry. My hair needs to be washed, which is why it's up in a bun. Doesn't look very cute, but that is okay. So let's go in with the first shade, which is, we're just gonna go from like lightest to deepest. Hopefully I can get them in that order. So first up we have the shade Peony, and as you can tell, and as the name suggests, it's a very pretty peony. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Peony color. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. It's a very pretty soft pink. Let's do a quick swatch on the back of the hand. Oh, that is stunning. Oh yeah. This one feels a little bit different from their nude collection. It feels a little more like a cream finish. I'm not really getting like the super matte finish, which is fine. It still has a really pretty non-shiny finish, like a matte finish to it, but not as matte. It still has that very comfortable cushion-like formula that we love from MILANI. So that is Peony right here. This is a really pretty floral pink color. I actually really like how this complements my skin tone, so I'm really excited to see the next shades. What do you guys think? I like that this doesn't make my teeth look yellow. A lot of these shades that are pink have that undertone that just really bring out the yellow in your teeth. This one is not doing that for me, and I really like it. I personally would pair this up with a brown lip liner, and that will look really, really pretty. So there is the first shade. We are going to try Petal. This one is a little bit more mauve-y than Peony, as you can see. So let's go ahead and swatch her. This is what she looks like, nice and untouched. As you can see, it has that beautiful like matte velvet finish to the lipsticks. Again, these remind me a lot of the Makeup by Mario lipsticks, as well as the Huda Beauty. They just have that beautiful like rich velvety feel and texture to them. First swipe. Oh yeah. This one feels a lot more matte. That is really, really pretty. This is not This is not a color that I would typically gravitate towards, but wow, this is so gorgeous. And again, I really like that it complements my skin tone. Let me give you a quick little swatch on the back of the hand. So right here is peony, and then right here is petal. So you can see that there is a clear difference between them both. Now I'm going to move on to this lipstick. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this one. It is called Blossom. And this one just looks like it's a hot magenta. These are the types of colors that I personally feel comfortable wearing. Oh, this is so pretty. These colors look so stunning on really deep skin tones. I feel like they just make your skin pop, and they just, I don't know, they bring that yummy melanin out of my dark skin complexion girls. So let's go ahead and swipe this one. Yep. Oh my goodness. The way these glide on your lips, you guys, unreal. Oh my gosh, this has to be my favorite one so far. So pretty. It is a true magenta. It has a little bit of hot pink. It looks a little washed out on camera, but in person it's a lot more vibrant. Honestly, with this like makeup look, I think it looks really pretty. These colors are so bold that I feel like they just really speak for themselves, and you would have to you can wear very minimal makeup and they would just really stand out. So that is the swatch of the shade Blossom right there. Super pretty. I am obsessed with this color. It has to be my favorite one so far. That lipstick stained my lips a little bit, so just be aware of that. So the last kind of pink toned lipstick is called Fleur, and it's Fleur. And this one is that gorgeous crimson berry. That is so pretty, you guys. Okay. I'm just super excited to swatch this one. I don't even want to swatch it because it's so pretty in the packaging. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're just gonna see past the horrible swatching, but my goodness, this one is so pretty. Does this make my teeth look yellow? No, it doesn't. Wow, this one is beautiful. So there you can see the difference in between, like some of them that have a little bit more of that matte finish versus the first ones. They have a little bit more almost of a satin finish, but not entirely satin. I don't know. They're a little bit off with that, but it's okay because they're still super comfortable on the lips. So this one has to be definitely my favorite one so far. The red one, I know is going to be my favorite one. I love red lipsticks, even though I don't wear them, but I love them. I am gonna leave the red one for last because in my opinion, it's the best. So let's move on to Dahlia, which is probably the deepest out of the bunch. I thought it was the last one, but this one is the deepest out of the bunch. It's a really pretty berry burgundy color, but it's not too like purpley, which is exactly what I love about this one. Oh my goodness, look at how cute that is. All right, let's go in with this. Oh my goodness, that is stunning. Oh, I love this one. And there we have Dahlia. This is such a stunning color. It's a really pretty deep berry. Perfect undertones. And let's do a quick little swatch on the back. I am just so impressed at how well these are performing. Like the quality is insane, you guys. So there is Dahlia, the deepest out of the bunch. Beautiful berry. It's not too purpley. It's just, it's seriously perfect. So let me remove this one and move on to the last one. Last but not least has to be Poppy. This one is a true bright classic red with those beautiful blue undertones. This type of red will have your teeth looking so white. I love this. Okay, let's go in and swatch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep, this one has to be the winner, chicken dinner. So let's do a quick little swatch on the back of my hand. And here we have it, you guys. This is the entire Flora collection by Milani. 6 beautiful new shades to add to your collection. Like, these are stunning. These are a must. Spring is right around the corner, kind of. And these, I feel like, just came in on time. They're velvety, they're creamy, they're smooth, they glide on, they're pigmented, they're rich. Like, this formula is just honestly the best at the drugstore in my eyes right now. So let me know in the comment section down below which one was your favorite shade. I can't decide, but if I had to choose two, I would choose the poppy. I would choose Poppy and Blossom. These two are just absolute perfection. So definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Are you guys going to pick up any of these shades? I'm just in awe with Milani and this formula. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!